Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umindirang ba ka jelau Konrad ki sangma haga pratri uya yong arajar postan lapen kupuram ya ka Kynhun Ïalehkai football Jong Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School kabla job ya ka kerdan kabala ya ka Limpung Ïalehkai jong ka second Indo-French football tournament kabla long hanong ba Paris jong ka France. Nakaliang jong umindirang ba uloong ba ka Nongjop jong ka Myngken Christian Higher Secondary School kalong gajing sarong ya kari India bat uloong ru ba ka sorkar kadang yai beteng ban kershan ya ka jing ya lenti jong ka Kynhun. Shushu mindirang ba ola pentip baga Olympic Luanius Academy kada kuway nigi Islam Ïalehkai hega Ïalehkai football ba pau nam ha hado ba Europe kala khat sngob ha kerpang hega Migalai state football team jang ka under 18 nagbenta ga Ïalehkai ke ba ar post nam haga Islam Ïalehkai ke badan hakari France ke ban salong shen ha ubenai jiliu menta usnem arajar posan
Sandu Ravindra Frankie the Khal Bantribor Nongjop Alistair Phai Vanangsan Nongplang.
This is indeed a very proud moment for me, a proud moment for our state, and a very proud moment for each and every one of you. You have had the opportunity to represent not just your school, not just our state, but the country in the Indo-French football tournament of 2025. And not only did you represent the country, but you also came third in this tournament. And once again, I congratulate you for that. And I think they all deserve another round of applause for this great performance that they have done in this particular tournament that was held in France.